Oh, my name is Kendra. I hear you're pretty good at exploring the jungle. You want to play some up? Adventure is out there, right? Okay, I'm gonna be Doug. Don't laugh. Doug is awesome. Squirrel. And we've flown Mr. Fredrickson's house to the dirigible to save Kevin's babies for months. And then we sneak aboard. And we're following Kevin through the ship. She can smell them. She's gonna lead us right to them. But Kevin's babies are all in cages.
She cannot get them all. We will help her. Do not worry, Kevin's baby. We will save you and your brothers and sisters because we love you.
I want those thieves.
You see a way to open the cage? My paw cannot do it.
Find them. I want all dogs on alert.
Hi there. You are good and smart and smell nice. Looks very much like you are going to be climbing soon.
The humans are weak. You
I
are
want
strong.
your very best at that thing you just did.
Extra bacon for the dog who brings me the humans. Those humans are not to escape. They must be kept inside. That's a command.
The folly of humans astonishes me.
Don't let them
I
get
can
back to
smell
the
you.
house. Thieves! You'll never take what's rightfully mine. We got the humans! Right where we want them!
Those little baby birds are very cute.
The humans
Have
are
to
not
save
to
them.
leave this ship. Do you understand?
Oh, please hurry. The baby birds need us.
I'm taking those birds back to the National Explorers Society. Then we'll see who's fabricated.
Love you.
The thieves are not to leave this ship. Do you hear me?
You are great at doing things.
Humans, right here.
Hi there.
Humans astonishes me.
Looks very much like you are going to be climbing soon.
Dog among you.
Astonishes
Not
me.
us. Oh boy, you made that look like so much fun.
We got the humans. Right where we want them.
Our master will take care of you in a way that will make you cower and be
Surround. They must not escape. Stop it! You're hitting the ship!
folly of humans astonishes me.
If they get to that house and escape, there will be no bacon for a year. Don't let them escape the dirigible! Stop them before they get to the house! Have you lost your canine minds? Don't hit the dirigible! Those humans are not to escape. Stop it! You're hitting the ship!
I am happy you are safe, and the bird is safe, and the bird's babies are safe.